Guys, today we'll be going to see how to create a project in LabVIEW basically. So in order to start that, first there is a process here. You can go to the file and you can make a create project, or you can directly click it from here. So now I'll just directly go to the file and I can create a project here. So once I create a project here, it able to show the different different options to create a project. But I'll since you are a beginner, I ask you to go to create a project, a blank project, and then click on the blank project and you can finish it here and you can maximize it here. So firstly you can save this project. So I'm just pressing on the save. So I'm saving as a one numeric. So here the project is created now. So this project is ended with a .lv proj. That means it's a LabVIEW project. So you can create a right click on the my computer. So first, as a simple thing, we'll start with a simple virtual instrument. You can create a VI. So you can save, you can go to file and you can save this as also a sample VI on your desktop wherever you want. So under here the important thing is you have to press Ctrl T. Okay, Ctrl T is which will place the tabs side by side. Now for example, so since it is a very basic project, we wanted to make a logic of addition of so many numbers. So basically I want to add 10 numbers at a time. So for that, what you need to do is you can right click here, you can go to numeric and you can take the compound arithmetic. Okay, right click numeric and compound arithmetic. Once you go to the compound arithmetic and you can drag it here. Okay, so you can right click here, you can make a control like this, one by one you can control, and there is a shortcut here. Okay, the shortcut is first select this and make control space D at a time, so that you will get everything in one shot. Okay, you are able to see everything in one shot. This is how you will be able to make a shortcut. Once you are able to do the shortcut, and if you want to make it as an exe file, go to tools and make a build exe from VI. So save it here, save, and once it is getting saved here, the source file, destination file, source file settings. So in the source file settings, you go to the customize VI properties. In the customize VI properties, you can see that run when it is opened. So you can unclick that. So if you click this, Windows has a title bar or not, it has a menu bar, vertical scroll bar, all these things you can able to make it. So even you can apply a new password. If you want to open, you can apply a password. And web service, all those things we'll see later. And you can make a build. It will try to build the application. You can go to explore and you can see here there is an application here, and you can double click here, and once you double click here, this application will open generally. Okay, so it's taking little time, so it's opens. See here, so you can right click here, you can check how the things are coming. It's as simple as that. Like this you can create a simple project.